Hello mga kumars! I just can't help but to share this beautiful video of my daughter surprising me during my birthday last year. What are these? Your gift for me?
Yes.
Thank you. Is this flower or heart?
It's a heart.
Thank you! I was with Jubair downstairs and then hindi ko alam na isusurprise din pala ako ng eldest daughter ko na si Georgia. It's nice that she got this one recorded on video kasi talagang grabe yung gulat ko. Super ganda kasi nung gawa niya. She's hiding from her room and then ayan, bigla na lang niyang inabot sa akin saying that hers prettier.
Mine's prettier.
Ay, wow! Gawa mo to? Ah, wow! Super ganda niya talaga, promise. Hangang-hanga ako kay Georgia, ang galing. And syempre, yung nakipag-compete sa gawa, kailangan kong i-assure na maganda din yung kanya. I also showed this youngster my appreciation by taking lots of pictures dun sa gawa niya. Sa part ngang to, ay pinaayos pa sa akin ni Chuchubir yung kanyang gawa dahil medyo nagulo. How was it supposed to be?
Supposed to be like
That, oh my God. Yan. From Chubair. O diba, ang cute din. Parang yung mga cactus na nagsasayaw pagka nagsalita ka. May heart pa. Sure. I am so blessed to have such talented kids who are both creative in their own ways. Tingnan mo naman, napakaganda talaga nung gawang bouquet ni Georgia. I really appreciate the time and effort that my daughter gave para magawa lang tong napakagandang bouquet na to. Sinabi din sa akin ni Chuchubir na yung mga pink ay hindi daw talagang pink, kung hindi, nilagyan pa ng blush on ng kanyang ate para mas gumanda. Ang galing, di ba? I'm so happy to say na at their early age, they already know how to show their love by putting up effort in doing something nice and giving it as a present. I believe when they grow up and have their own source of income, mas hihigatan pa nila yung mga effort na ganito. But remember, my daughter, no material thing can ever compare to the thoughtfulness and effort and time that a person is giving to her loved ones.
and what about
Pretty daughter.
I
this one,
just made
Chuchubir made this.
out of tape.
It's nice also. It's a
I
heart.
guess I use 4 strings to make.
I hope and pray to God that you both grow as loving and sweet as you are like now. And just like this bouquet, I know that you will both bloom beautifully in life. Hindi matapos ang kagalakan ko sa ganda ng gawa ni Georgia na bouquet. And if you want to order and have a beautiful flower like this, don't hesitate to PM me. Ninegosyo pa nga. See you on my next vlog, mga kumars!